When a borrower, a debtor, consumer is feeling overwhelmed and constantly harassed by their creditors, bankruptcy helps tremendously by affording the protection of the automatic stay right at the moment of filing. The protection of the automatic stay means that any of your creditors that are currently pursuing you for collection action, by federal law, they're required to stop pursuing you. Collection action can be anything from phone calls to letters. Most candidates in a bankruptcy will be able to discharge their unsecured debt. Unsecured debt generally consists of credit cards, past due medical bills, past due legal bills. If you want to find out more about bankruptcy and you're looking for a fresh start, you need to consult with a bankruptcy attorney. We do have free consultations at my office. Just taking the step of filing a bankruptcy is the first step towards a fresh start, towards rebuilding your credit, towards being able to achieve credit in the future.